Oh, we probably have 50 members right now. Of those, you know, maybe 20, 25 own sailboats. Some have power boats, some are in between boats. But there's probably 10 of us that race regularly. Surprisingly so, for a small town, it's pretty competitive. All the races are done on handicap, so in a perfect race, everybody, if they sail well, can win. This is our 3rd year campaigning this boat. Just about my max on a boat. You know, it's funny, they say all of these boats are for sale, and it's absolutely true. We should be getting some wind readings. I'm looking up the course for breeze. I don't know if you can tell without polarized sunglasses, but those dark spots on the water, that's breeze, right? Those are the puffs. And then the lighter spots, those are the lulls. So ideally, we'd like to be able to connect the dots, connect the dark spots all the way up the course. So I get a wind check here, which just means I'm going to shoot straight up wind. So wind's out of about 310. The course looks pretty square right now. We'll roll the jib out on the foreman just after. It's pretty early to go for the line. Back it and bear it off. Big wind shift right at the start of that race. And I want to lead Cam 100 back and I'm going to let them get above us, see if we can get in this breeze line first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot the mark, so when I say blow the jib, just ease the jib completely. Okay, blow the jib. We got room to tack, let's go ahead and tack it. Guys. Alright, that's our gun. So go ahead and roll up the jib. Good race, guys.